So the third step is that we equal both interest rates and we isolate y. So let's do that. We have this fraction and we have this fraction, and now we're gonna equal them. So let's do it. Good. So now we're gonna have to isolate y, but to do that we will have to first make sure that the bottom side of the fraction is the same on both sides. To do that, I'm gonna do this on a new paper now because I have no space left. To do that, we will have to divide minus 8,000 over 1,000, and whatever we get, multiply it times this, and we will substitute this. So let me show you. I mean, everyone knows how to do this. You learned this in high school. Come on, you know how to do this, but it's just a review, just in case. So basically, we have this. We have minus 8,000 here, and we have 1,000. I'm just copying now, okay? 1,600 minus 2y, and here on the left side, we got this 1,000, and we got this minus 0.5y plus 550. Okay, so this one is gonna stay the same. So sorry, this one is gonna stay the same. This one is gonna change. So this is gonna become minus 8,000. It's not gonna be 1,000. It's gonna be minus 8,000, and on top, it's gonna be new. It's not gonna be these numbers anymore. So minus 8,000 over there. So what we do now is we divide minus 8,000 over 1,000, that is minus 8. And then we will multiply minus 8 times minus 0.5y, and minus 8 times plus 550. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna pause the video for a second and do it, and then. So that is our end result. So we divided minus 8,000 over 1,000, and we multiplied the result, minus 8 times minus 0.5y, that is 4y, and minus 8 times 550 is minus 4,400. So now we got the both. Is this denominator in English? I don't know. Maybe the bottom side of the fraction anyway, however it's called. It's the same now. It's minus 8,000 minus 8,000. So now we can just get rid of the shit and use only the top part of the fraction. So 4y minus 4,400 equals 1,600 minus 2y. And now, what was our goal? To equal both interest rates, which is what we just did, and to isolate y. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to isolate y. Again, basic algebra. This minus 2y goes to the left, becomes plus 2y, so 6y. Everything goes to the, so this goes to the right. This is 1,600 plus 4,000, so this goes to the right. 4,400 plus 1,600, that is 4 y son 5, 4,000 y 1,000, 5,000, 6,000, that is 6,000. So yeah, 6,000. So y is 6,000 over 6 over 6, 1,000. So we already have our equilibrium output. Remember, the goal of an ISLM model exercise is to get equilibrium output and equilibrium interest rate. Our equilibrium output, we got it. Now we only need the equilibrium interest rate. So how do we do that? Wait, sorry. Small review of the third step again. So we have our interest rate of the IS curve, our interest rate of the LM curve. We equal both fractions, and then we isolate y. That is the third step. And now we already have our equilibrium output, which is 1000. And now in our last step, step number 4, that is substitute y in interest rate fraction to get the equilibrium interest rate. So we can use, so here is the interest rate fraction of the IS curve and the interest rate fraction of the LM curve, but we equaled them. So they are both the same. They are both worth the same. So regardless of whether we substitute y here or y here, we're going to have the same result. So it doesn't matter. So basically, we're going to choose one of these fractions. We're going to substitute y with 1000. And then we're going to solve the fraction. And that's it. So let's take this one. I mean, honestly, I mean, I don't care. Who cares? It's irrelevant. So I'm gonna just copy this fraction. I'm gonna copy it over there. So I equals. I'm gonna copy it. Wait, fuck. I'm gonna choose this fraction. This fraction. I equals minus 0.5y plus 550 over 1000, which equals minus 0.5 times 1000 plus 550 over 1000. And now, so 1000 times 0.5 is 500, but this is negative, so minus 500. Minus 500 plus 550 over 1000. That equals 550 minus 500 is 50 over 1000. So that is going to be equal to 0.050, I believe, because yeah, 0.050. So that is going to be our interest rate. So our final solution is that the interest rate is 0.050 and our equilibrium is 1000. So, review of the fourth step. We just take y, what we got on the third step, and we replace it in either this fraction or this fraction, which is the fraction, the interest rate of the IS curve, or the interest rate of the LM curve. We can choose whichever, the result will be the same. So we just take one of these fractions. I took the IS curve one. We change y with 1000, and then whatever the fraction value is, that is our interest rate. That is how you do the fourth step.